the background because we got the new report, which I already made a video of, so let's take a quick look for the background. I've never seen it on the back before, but here we have where the transport boats are going to, not actually. So let's have a quick look around the scene. So let's get this drain house out of the way. Oh, let's put water here. And also, this was connected to the electricity supply. So let's move it. So it's in the garden right now. The backhoe I used to make videos with. So here's the drum. Here's the dial. Got a bit dirty actually already. But here's the drum. The reason we got new machine because the bearings are going up. You can hear the bearings. So I'm going to take this apart soon. Listen. I think that was connected to the supply. But I don't think so because I think they might take an outlet off. So that's the update on the back one. Bye.